activate!
Away we go. No Pryor Warning on top of LabmAnaconda with the lifter.
Oh, that lifter is fantastic, isn't it? There you can see the power and the skill used there. Underneath again, No Pryor Warning.
Good driving there from LabmAnaconda. Stuck on a seam in the arena. Down comes the hammer of No Pryor Warning.
Oh, nice and ramping up over the top. LabmAnaconda useful as a skate ramp, if anything else.
Good control, though, by LabmAnaconda. In underneath. Doesn't quite get it over, though.
So No Pryor Warning, just that's an electric hammer, I believe. Is that right?
Yeah, the electric motor spins very quickly. And gears and pulleys allow the hammer to come swinging down with some incredible force.
Yes, I think they can control that power as well by the looks of things. Now, halfway through this fight, if you cast your eyes to the back of, well, to the side of the arena, to our right, to your left, we have got the shredder, and that will come active. We've got a minute gone of this fight, 2 minutes left. I mean, at the moment, this is pretty tit for tat. This is going back and forth for me, Sam. What about you?
Good control, I have to say, throughout from LabmAnaconda. I think able to get the battle for low ground is key in fighting robots, and he's doing a better job here than No Pryor Warning.
It does seem to be, yeah, but of course our judges are watching with a keen eye, and every hit that No Pryor Warning lands on the top of LabmAnaconda, that of course racks up the points.
It does aggression points. Down it comes again and again. Not quite getting the force it may want, though. I think the shredder is about to become active any second now.
Hardly possible. Again, LabmAnaconda, fantastic to get underneath this thing. I mean, this is our metal floor of our arena, incredibly slick, even for custom-made wheels. Oh, the shredder has come live now, and that becomes a huge obstacle for our competitors.
Absolutely, it spins up to speed, and now the game is, can they shove their opponents into the shredder? Over goes No Pryor Warning, but back on its wheels very quickly.
Incredibly aggressive, got a couple of series of rams from LabmAnaconda again. Oh, we've got to be careful there. They are certainly controlling this fight.
Again. Huge power in the drive. You love to see it. In underneath again. I think the weapon may have stopped on LabmAnaconda, though we haven't seen it for a while. The hammer of No Pryor Warning, though, is still working.
Certainly is. I mean, they're very sturdy, rigid machines to take this kind of battering and still keep going. But again, that shredder whirring away in the corner. Can't help but a bit threatened by it.
Neither of them have opted to use the shredder just yet. LabmAnaconda drifts very close to it. Can they get in underneath No Pryor Warning again and push them into it, I wonder?
I think both opponents trying to go for that. That's clearly a good tactic. But if No Pryor Warning losing the ground clearance battle time and time again.
Yep, those forks not quite scraping the floor as they'd need. LabmAnaconda, good push into the pit.
Oh, into the pit!
Down.
Here we got a pit! Ladies and gentlemen, your first winner of these 2 days events is LabmAnaconda by knockout.
Yeah, pitting it in the corner and was in control throughout the fight, I thought.
I fully agree with you, Sam. I mean, absolutely, kudos to both Roboteers and both robots, but LabmAnaconda 100% was controlling that fight, I would say, from the get-go.
The battle for low ground, as I said, is key. If you control the floor of the arena, you have got a chance. And LabmAnaconda, despite a weapon not working towards the end, did get the win